This program fits perfectly with our mission. We are serving the underprivileged. We are serving those who are hurt. That is what we are all about, not just medically, but we're serving their mind, body, and spirit. So what generated our month of giving actually started with a system video that talked about our daily bread. And it triggered a spark within some of us, and our vice presidents talked about it and decided this would be a great thing for CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic to support. Our Daily Bread is located in Galveston, and it is to support the homeless in that area. They provide 3 meals a day for them. They provide medical assistance for them, of course, clothing, hygiene products, things like that for them. This is a place for these people to go that have nothing. They're able to be fed, and they're able to receive medical attention when they need it. What we thought would be a small month of giving really turned into a large month of giving by being able to support not only Our Daily Bread, but the Refuge of Light as well. Refuge of Light is a wonderful nonprofit group, and they provide a home for young ladies who have been rescued from sex trafficking. They provide them a safe haven, they mentor them, they love them, and they bring them back to what is good in our world. Now we're supporting 2 nonprofits with our month of giving, and everyone's just very excited about it. And so we kind of gave them guidelines of what we wanted for them to bring in, and that was gently used clothing items, new items for the Refuge of Light girls, gift cards, things like that. And boxes started coming in. And boxes continued to come in. And eventually we ended up with 3 rooms full of boxes at our offices. More than 250 boxes were collected. More than $2,000 in gift cards were collected. There were coats, blankets, gloves, caps, all kinds of things for winter that we were able to send to Our Daily Bread. Boxes and boxes and boxes of things. For the Refuge of Light, it's a little bit different story, and I get a little emotional when I talk about this, but these young ladies are rescued from sex trafficking, and their stories are heartbreaking, and we wanted to do something to make them happy, to give them some joy. They got a lot of different things, new items of clothing. We gave them poinsettias for Christmas that they could plant in the big containers that they wanted to plant outside. They got gift cards as well, lots of lovely bath products, things like that. The chef at the hospital provided them with Thanksgiving and Christmas meals, and they were delighted. It was the full spread. It was such a wonderful time for them. It meant so much to them. We've received handwritten notes from these young ladies who are so appreciative of what they received. And this was all done by the associates of CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic and our ancillary partners. It was amazing. Everyone was so excited to be a part of this. And the reason we do these things is because we are the fortunate ones. We have plenty. And so we decided that we wanted to share this. We touched so many lives in a different way. We touch lives every day with our health care, but we touched them in a different way this time, and it came from the hearts of so many people.